Okay, here we go. So we have in here 2/3 plus 1/4. Okay. So if you can see, the denominator are not the same. Sir says, please stop writing on the screen.
Sorry.
Okay, so the denominator are not the same. Therefore, our goal is to make them similar, to make them the same. In order for us to do that, we need to find the least common denominator of 3 and 4. Okay, so on the screen, please write the multiples of 3. Who wants to write the multiples of 3 on the screen? 3, 6,
Ako,
9.
sir.
Okay, Aliyah, please write on the screen. Dito sa ilalim. What are the multiples of 3? Okay, you will start on 3, anak, not on 6. 3, 6.
Teacher, may nagagayos.
Grade 5, I'm not joking around. Please. Please. Hindi ako nakikipagbiroan sa inyo. Okay, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, I think that's enough, Aliyah. Thank you. Now, please write the multiples of 4 on the screen. May I call on AJ? What are the multiples of 4? You will start on 4, okay? Don't forget 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Come on, AJ. Nice. Okay, so the first multiple is... Okay, 4. Next. Luis, please, please, Luis. Okay, AJ, very good. That is 8. Okay. 8. Hirap na hirap si AJ magsulat ah. 4, 8. Okay. Ay, sorry.
Tulungan ko po si
Okay, 12. Okay, I think that's enough, AJ. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. Very good. Now, can you see a common number? What is the least common multiple that can be
12.
our least common
12 po.
denominator?
12.
What is that? 12. Okay, now. Okay, very good job. Now, our denominator should be 12 because the least common denominator is 12. Gagawin daw natin 12 ang denominator. Ayan. Luis, Luis, Luis. Utang na loob. Sorry, sis. Okay. Ayan na po. So we have 12 and another 12. Now, how are we going to turn 2/3 into a number or a fraction with the denominator of 12? So you have to divide. Luis, please.
Pero bakit dalawa yung Louis?
Grade 5. I'm not joking around.
May nanggagaya, sir.
Di ako nakikipaglaro sa inyo.
Sir, gumanti lang ako. Gumanti lang po ako. Wala naman si Louis, sir eh.
Mukha ba ako nakikipagbiroan sa inyo? Ha? Hmm? May gantihan pang nalalaman? Tama ba ang pagganti?
Hindi po, sir.
O, bakit ganyan ang itsura nyo? We're trying to focus here. You're distracting the class.
You may go out if you want.
Okay, let's continue. So, in order for you to turn 2/3 into a fraction with a denominator of 12, you have to divide the denominator. Sir, sis, utang na loob. Wag mo sabayan si
May
teacher.
nanggagaya po, sir. Hindi po ako yun. Inaayos ko po yung camera ko, sir.
Okay.
May nanggagaya, may impostor.
Okay. You have to divide the denominators and then multiply the quotient into the numerator. Okay? So please help me out in here. Let me call on Caleb. Caleb, please divide 12 divided by 3. What is the answer? 12 divided by 3. Caleb. Hindi niya maano. You're on mute, anak. You're on mute.
4 po.
4. Very good. Now, 4 times 2. 4 times 2.
8.
8. Very good, Caleb. So, that is your new numerator. Okay? So, si 2 over 3, naging 8 over 12 na siya. Naiintindihan nyo? Do you understand that? Very good job. Now, let's turn 1/4 into a fraction with a denominator of 12. So just like what we did kanina, we will divide the denominators and then multiply the quotient to the numerator. Okay, 12 divided by 4. Herbie. 12 divided by 4. 3. Very good. 3 times 1.
3.
3. Very good. Now we have 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Okay. Let me call on Casey. Please write the sum of 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12 on the screen. Add the numerator and then copy the denominator, please. Okay. 11 over 12. Very good job, Casey. Now, grade 5. 11 over 12. May maidi-divide ka pa ba sa 11 na maidi-divide mo rin sa 12? May lowest term pa ba siya? Wala na. Therefore, our final answer is 11 over 12. And that is how you add fractions. Do you understand that? Okay, very good job. Now, what if the given is a mixed number? Okay, what if the given is a mixed number? So just like what we did kanina,
Ang
we
hirap na
have...
yung chair kasi meron ng mixed number.
Madali lang yan, anak. Okay? Kailangan lang maging parehas ang denominator niya. Maging similar fraction siya. Okay? So now, first, let's add the whole number. Before anything else, let's add the whole number. What are the whole number on our given? Yes, Caleb?
7 and 1.
7 and 1. Very good job. The whole numbers are 7 and 1. Okay, Jaser, what is 7 plus 1? 7. 8. Very good. Now, our new whole number is 8. Now, we are going to identify the least common denominator. Okay, please write the multiples of 7 on the screen, please. Multiples of 7, excuse me. Richie, what are the multiples of 7? Where are you, Richie? Okay, 7 over 1. Are you sure? Is it 7 over 1?
Impostor, kung gumamit ang pangalan ko.
Okay. I-remove ko tong impostor, ah. Okay. Mamaya siya makakabalik kapag inayos niya na yung name niya.
Teacher, may
Okay.
impostor talaga.
Tinanggal ko na siya. Nasa waiting room siya. Okay, Richie. 7. Very good. 14. Nice. Galing ni Richie, ah. 7, 14. I think that's enough. Okay, that's enough na, Richie. So next, what are the multiples of 14? Mukhang isang number lang ang isusulat nito. Roxette, what are the multiples of 14? And what do you think is our new denominator? Okay, 14. Nice. Can you see the least common multiple on the screen? Can you see it? Yes, okay. Can you please write the new denominator?
T.
What do you think is the new denominator? Hannah, please write. What is the new denominator? Please write it down. Ano kaya yung nakasulat dapat dito? Look ko. Who's? What number is that? Please write. Oh, ayan.
Si Luis yung nag-i-impostor.
Si Luis ang impostor. Nalaman na natin. Richie, Hannah po. Si Hannah po, Richie. Okay, but that's correct. Very good. Hannah, can you write 14, please? Okay, very good. So now our new denominator is 14. We are going to identify the new numerators. Just like what we did kanina, divide the denominator and then multiply the quotient to the numerator. Divide and then multiply. What is the new numerator of the first given, or 4/7? Anong fraction daw po ang equivalent ni 4/7? Kung magiging over 14 siya. On the screen, please write your answer. Rogie, what do you think is the answer when you divide 14 divided by 7 times 4? 14 divided by 7 times. What's that? 8. Please write 8. Write 8 on the numerator. Go, Rogie. 8. Very good job. Next, on the other one. 14 divided by 14 times 4. Okay, Hervey, you can write now. Please answer. 14 divided by 14 times 4. Very good job. Now, in order for you to write the final answer, please don't forget the whole number. Okay? Pakisulat pa rin yung whole number sa gitna. Who wants to write the whole number on the screen? Miguel. Okay, just write the final answer na pala. With the whole number, don't forget the whole number. Okay, so that is... Go, Miguel. Uy, kulay white yung pangsulat niya. What is the answer? Go, Miguel. Okay, 8. That is correct. And then, please add the fractions. Miguel, what is the fraction? 8 plus 4, and then copy the denominator. Add the numerator, and then copy the denominator. Sources. Yung tinutulungan ka na ni sources, oh. Okay, nice.
Tanong po ako.
Yes? 12 over...
Susunod ba nito sa Wednesday equivalent fractions?
Hindi po, subtraction na po. Okay, so we have 12 over 14. May lowest term pa ba ang 12 over 14? Meron pa ba? What is the lowest term of 12 over 14? Saan mo pwedeng i-divide ang 12 saka 14? Anong number yung pwede mong i-divide sa kanila parehas? Yes, Hervey?
Teacher.
2. Okay, please divide 2. 12 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2. Kapag nag-lowest term kayo ng mixed number, huwag pa rin kakalimutan si whole number. Okay, please write the lowest term. 12 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2 on the screen. Let me call on Casey. Okay, Luis, that's correct. Casey, what is the new denominator? 14 divided by 2. Yan, 6 over 7. Very good job. The answer is 8 and 6 over 7. Is it clear? Okay, let's do more examples.